Every ping, notification, scroll, it chips away at your attention. The digital world promises connection, yet often delivers distraction. We live in a time where we carry the entire world in our pockets, but rarely sit still long enough to hear our own heartbeat. Welcome to the channel where nature whispers wisdom into our lives. If you're feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or just disconnected, this video is for you. The constant digital hum keeps our minds in fight or flight mode, disrupting sleep, increasing anxiety, dulling creativity. But nature moves at the pace of truth. It doesn't rush. It doesn't compare. It simply is. And in its silence lies the loudest answer. You need a break to remember who you are. Always prepare like a survivor. Digital detox is not just logging off. It's a mental wilderness expedition. Like any survival journey, you need to prepare. Pack intentionally. Just as a hiker brings only essentials, decide what to leave behind. Silence group chats. Delete the addictive apps. Let people know you're going off-grid for your own healing. Map your exit. Pick your detox window. A day? A weekend? Start small. Mark it like you would a trail on a map. Let it be sacred time. Know your why. Before stepping into the quiet, write your reason. I want clarity. I need peace. I want to feel alive again. Keep that reason close. It'll guide you when the silence feels too loud. To detox well, location is everything. You need to find your natural refuge. You need a place that reflects what you're seeking. Peace, rawness, truth. Into the wild. Go to the forest, the riverbank, a quiet field. If you can't leave the city, find your nearest park, but go there without your phone, without music, without distraction. Let the wind become your playlist. Make camp mindfully. Once you arrive, stop. Don't rush to do anything. Sit, feel the ground. Let your eyes adjust to the natural world. You'll notice how alive everything is, how busy, yet peaceful. This is where the detox truly begins. Here's the truth. Your brain might panic without your usual digital fix. You'll feel bored, restless, anxious. That's normal. You're experiencing a type of withdrawal. But guess what? So does any animal learning to survive outside a trap. Learn to survive the escape. Breathe through the craving. Just like building a fire, focus on breath. Long, deep, intentional. Inhale nature. Exhale urgency. Replace reaction with reflection. Instead of reaching for your phone, reach for a journal. Draw what you see, write what you feel, or simply be still. Rewire with wildness. Pay attention to the birds, the way leaves dance, the way your heartbeat slows. This discomfort, it's your mind detoxing. You're burning off digital noise. As the silence deepens, you'll start to feel something else. Your natural rhythm. No more rushing. No more alerts, just your internal compass waking up again. Sync with the sun. Let your body move with daylight. Walk, stretch, lie down, rest, eat simply. If you pack snacks, eat them slowly. Taste the texture. No scrolling while chewing, just presence. Move like a wild animal. Run barefoot. Climb, crawl. Let your body remember it's part of nature. These rhythms, once lost to the scroll, are yours again. Eventually, your detox ends, and you must return, but not the same way you left. Reboot intentionally. Before turning on your phone, ask, what deserves my attention? Don't rush back into the feed. Check only what matters. Delete what drains. Keep a piece of the wild with you. Pine cone, pressed leaf, a journal entry. Let it remind you, stillness is always available. Silence is always healing. You don't have to be always on to matter. In a world that constantly demands your attention, choose to protect your peace. Hey you, digital detox isn't about running away. It's about remembering your roots. The forest never forgot you. The wind still carries your name, and your soul knows the rhythm of the wild. So next time you feel overwhelmed, don't scroll. Don't numb, just return to nature. Nature drives.